This is a big event for German Development Minister Gerd Müller. Germany has drafted what it calls a Marshall Plan with Africa. It's designed to create a framework for more German investment on the African continent. The tone of the summit: less aid, more economic development. Africa wants partnership, but we're asking for a bit more than we've had up to now, fighting corruption and promoting rule of law and human rights. Then, as partners, we'll be able to develop our economic relationship, business to business. German companies have been tentative about the African market. Smaller businesses worry about the risks. The German economy minister wants to change that. We have to advertise to German companies that will cover them against non-payment if they do business in an African country. This will give them more courage. The African company representatives at the summit are keen to deepen their ties with Germany.
What we are looking for is a partnership that would engage in transfer of investment capital, technology, know-how, and also building capacities of local industries.
This is best done through vocational training, and I think this is one of the pillars that at the moment Germany has for Kenya, and that's why I thought it was important for me to come to this.
In that spirit, the summit saw the signing of an agreement to set up a new German East African university and a vocational training centre in Kenya.